Say hi. Hello, good morning, everybody. And also to all the fathers out there. What will you say also to your papa? What do you want to say to Papa Marby? Happy Father's Day! Yes. There, you see your face there. Happy Father's Day, Papa! Ako na. Ayan. So, hello guys. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Ayan. So, today is June 16 and yes, we celebrate Father's Day. So, we would like to greet all of the fathers out there, guys. Happy Father's Day. And ayan. Also to the mothers that, um, who are also a father to their children. Happy Father's Day. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Thank you also for watching our videos and reels. Ayan. Hope you will follow us for more. Ayan. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can check on that on our profile. Okay, you can click on the link and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, thank you guys for your support. Say thank you. Thank you. You say thank you. Thank you and happy Father's Day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.